Hi, this is Rachelle Scrapcraftastic, and there is an Isis Ella Jewels sale coming up this week. I'll put all the information in the description box below, but I have my PR package here, and we are going to go through this together. So let's get into it. So I received this in the mail. I never know when I'm receiving anything. It just shows up, and that's really exciting. But let's see what we have here. I'm going to try and keep this chipboard, which is what this packaging is, and upcycle it, use it for something else. So let's see. Ooh, oh, this is the new sticker book. Bloom Bear sticker book from Isis Ella Jewels. These are the journaling card squares. Let's see if I can get into this. So we got new colorful things from Isis Ella Jewels. And I kind of have an idea of how I want to use some of these journaling cards and journal squares so that they're just not sitting around. But this is what they look like. Very nice. Love the florals. So that's everything. That's all the journaling squares. Then I think these are probably die cut sticker flakes, something like that. So you got the journal squares. Then these are the die cuts. I'm loving the colors. We're getting some color here. So here's the dolls. Here's the group of dolls. Let's put them up there. Hopefully you can see this. Ooh, that's really nice. There. Bloom where you are planted, Queen. Love that. These are going to work great in the project idea I have. And this one, that's her. Your garden is your responsibility. Secure your spirit. It's already yours. I love these. These are awesome. Let's get into the sticker book. Look at the color. I mean, neutrals are cool, fine, and dandy, but I do like some color mixed in there, and it looks like that's what we're getting this time from Isis Ella Jewels. Planner stickers, journal stickers, Bloom Bear sticker book. 30 sticker sheets. Designed for any planner or journaling lover who likes to accent their spreads with an encouraging word or two. Here we go. So we got some pink and green and like a maroon berry color. Some sage green with the peachy orange color and reddish color for the doll. This is black and white. Very pretty. Love the florals. Bloom Bear. This is so pretty. Got the yellows and greens. Like the peachy floral, pinkety, peachity colors. I don't know. I just love the colors and the florals. This is right up my alley. Yes. And then the boxes, full boxes. Bloom, grow, love, hope, be patient, queen, be still, queen. Love the boxes. We get checklist boxes and trackers in the same color scheme. Some more boxes. These are for angel numbers. Look at that. That's so pretty. Wow, I love the color schemes. Choose love, choose spiritual growth, breathe, grow. Look at that. Ooh. There's some dolls, some little circles. Laugh daily. I like this book. This is really good. Honor thyself, laugh daily. We're going to be using this in, then there's the dolls, the bigger ones. Love it. The groups. Rest, Pray, Cleanse, Study, Journal. It's got the incense, the masks. Rest, regroup, dance the pain away. How cool is that? Am I skipping a page? No. Jewel energy, goddess energy. Got the candles. That would have came in handy for my Dollar Tree spread this week. Then we have some quotes, black and white. Two sheets of those. Then we have these. I don't know. These are, I hate to call them tombstone stickers, but that's kind of what they're shaped like. We have these rounded top stickers with the dolls and the quote. Those are cute. More quotes. And then we have journal prompts in the different colors. And headers. And these aren't your typical headers. They say things like special prayer, gratitude, journal moment, quote, release queen, let that pen flow, forgive, love letter, inspiration, things like that. Get 2 pages of those. Well, nope, this is different. This says intentions, manifest and intentions. And then we got some more angel number headers on the side there. And that's it. This book is everything. I love the color, the color, the color, the color. And you could choose like a page. Let's see. Like this page, you can make a whole spread with just this page by itself. The florals. Like this, a whole page. So that's it. That's what's coming to IsisEllaJewels.com. Again, I'll put all the information along with my discount code in the description box below. Okay, so since I have the new Bloom Bear and I have the Isis Ella Jewels journal, I'm going to go ahead and break these stickers in because if I don't, I won't use them. Rarely do I get stickers that I don't want to use. I don't want to use these, so I need to go ahead and dive into them. So I think I'm going to do, which one do I want to use? I think I'm going to use the white one because a lot of these colors I kind of want to save for spring and summer. And I feel like this has more of that New Year's vibe to it. So I'm going to use that. And I have some sparkly washi tape from Simply Gilded that you may see in a future What's New Wednesday that I'm going to go ahead and use along with, well, we'll start with that and then I'll see how it goes. So previously when I did some layouts, just doing examples on how you could use this differently, these are the spreads that I did, and I started in the middle for a reason so that I wouldn't have bulk all on one side versus the other. So I'll probably switch back and forth. This doesn't have to be in any particular order. So I'm going to go to this section before and get started. Let's see. What do I want to do? So this is the original Isis Ella Jewel sticker book, Spiritual Affirmations. So these are the two side by side. That's what they look like. So I'm gonna see if I can pull something out of here to mix it up. I like this. Keep your head up. Let's use that, and let's use this one with the gold. So that's it for this spread. I used washi tape from Simply Gilded and of course stickers from Isis Ella Jewels, a couple of boxes from My Digitals that are available to patrons. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.